Carbon is not pollution. It is the architecture of life. Every living system on Earth is built from its chains. The problem is not carbon. It is where we let it accumulate. When it flows through living systems, it builds worlds. When it is trapped outside, it becomes destructive. The modern world has forgotten this. We treat carbon as an atmospheric enemy, a story that is dangerously incomplete. We must bring it back into the loop of life, and the wisdom to do so has been with us for generations, held in the hands and hearts of indigenous communities. They know that to take from the land, you must also give back. That true wealth is not extracted, but cultivated. They practice a conversation with the earth, taking only what is needed, leaving the rest to flourish and replenishing what is taken. This is not a passive act. It is a deep, active stewardship that honors the soil as a living entity. Now this ancient wisdom is finding new ground in the most unexpected of places, our cities. Here in the concrete heart of the problem, a new generation is remembering the old ways. On rooftops, in abandoned lots, and on balconies, they are proving that life can be woven back into the urban fabric. They use raised beds to create safe havens for growth above the poisoned soil of the past. They practice deep mulch farming, using society's organic waste to create rich, water-retentive soil that needs no irrigation, sequestering carbon right where we live. They build closed-loop aquaponic systems where fish and plants sustain each other, a perfect model of a circular economy. This isn't just gardening, it is an act of repair. It is food sovereignty, health and community resilience. Photosynthesis pulls carbon from the city air. Roots, guided by these ancient and modern techniques, transfer it underground. Microbial networks, undisturbed and nourished, lock it away safely, building the soil's carbon battery. This process requires no colossal machines, no futuristic technology. It requires biology, knowledge, and care. The faster carbon is moved back into soil, whether in vast plains or a simple rooftop pot, the faster atmospheric pressure declines. Carbon capture does not begin in the sky. It begins underfoot. When we restore our relationship with the land, carbon follows a structure of life, not of force.